Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will see how to delete Sweatcoin account permanently. So let's begin. Open the app and on the top left corner you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it and click on the settings icon which is on the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the delete account option and tap on it. Click on contact us. Now what you have to do is simply choose the problem or the reason you are trying to delete your account. Once you choose that, simply tap on the delete account option which is on the bottom. Now tap on the enter the reason section, and on that section you have to write the reason for trying to delete the account. You can simply write I no longer want to use the app or anything that is valid. Once you do that, you have to click on the send button which is on the top. Once you send the feedback, an email will be sent to your mail address. You have to open the mail and there you will see a link. Once you tap on the link and confirm that you want to delete your account will be deleted within 48 hours. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through comment section. Thank you so much for watching.